Good day everyone, and welcome to the first video in our series of videos regarding using the Litano Pro app. Litano Pro app is an app where you can easily sell your USDT. It is built for only USDT, so other cryptos are not accepted. If you want to sell on the app and you have other cryptos, you can easily swap to USDT on your Binance wallet or whichever wallet you're comfortable using. So it works with the market rate, so you are assured of the best rates possible. To sell on it, you download the app from your app store if you're using Apple, or from Play Store if you're using Google phones, that is Android phones. So for the app store, it's only available in Nigeria, so you have to use your Nigerian iCloud if you're downloading for Apple. So to the business of the day, you click on quick sell if you are selling, for instance. Quick sell, the rate is dynamic, it moves with the market. So for now it is 1162.1. Click on the amount you want to sell, let's say $500. You can sell as little as, let me say, $20 for now, but with time we would adjust the minimum to like 100. You can see the rate is fluctuating because the rate is actually changing dynamically. I don't know. Back to what I was saying. The rate is dynamic. 500 is what we want to sell now. You click on next. You are to choose either single account or split payment. Supposing maybe you're selling $1,000 and you don't need it in one account, you can add two accounts, then you share the money how you want it to be paid. So it will help you do that split. Let's go for single account and let me use my OPay because of the speed, so you see how fast it is. 500, continue. On the next page, there are several modes of sending. Either you are using Binance email if you want to send Binance to Binance, ERC20 if you are sending through Ethereum network, TRC20 if you are sending through Tron network, Binance Pay ID if you are sending through Binance Pay, if you just want it to be flawless, BEP20 if you are sending through that protocol. So the most common is TRC20, so let's just use that. You'll be assigned a wallet where you send the token to. You copy it with this box here, and please make sure you send and take a screenshot before clicking on I have sent. So the volume you are sending is $500. Let's go to our Binance wallet. Binance, because that's where we have coins now. 500, okay. So I'm withdrawing from my Binance now, 500 to that CRC20 wallet. If you want a tutorial on how to use Binance to withdraw, then you can indicate in the comment section and we'll make a video for that for you. USDT is what we're sending via crypto network, because TRC20 is a crypto network under the Tron chain. We'll paste our address here, select network, TRC20 501. Why is it 501? Tron takes fee of 1 USDT. You can see there, network fee 1 USDT. So to make sure you're sending actually 500, just put 501. Even though you say 500, 499 will come, but while cross-checking what you sent and it's 499, we'll have to pay you 499. So 500, withdraw. Click on withdraw, confirm. Then you put your security pass or whatever mode you're withdrawing with on Binance. Continue. View history. You can see it here processing. You can wait for it to finish processing, or you take a screenshot. Start taking a screenshot. Go back to your transaction. Please make sure you send before going to the next place, because if you put a fake transaction or whatever, we are not novice in this business and we will surely fish that out. So just try to be plain while dealing on the app. I have sent assets You add image, photo library, click on the image, done. So it uploads the image and you submit. I have sent assets. Please ensure you have sent assets. Confirm. So that's all. You've added your bank account and it will be processed. It will be processed by any of the admins available, and you will get your payment in due time. So let's just wait around for an admin to process the trade. Since it's Binance you used, it should have been withdrawn by now. Whenever the admin receive it, you will receive, okay, trade update, your transaction was successful, received. Okay, fine, nice. Transaction has been received. So wait for our payment now, which shouldn't take long too. Since it has been received, the admin that received it will process the payment ASAP. If you have, maybe there's a delay in payment or something, while we're working on a Telegram channel, you can use this chat button here to send a message, hello, which you won't even have to. Trust me. So, patient successful. Seems they have processed the payment already. So we open OPay. Let's refresh. You can see it 581 to 50, 23.15. So the payment has already come, which is good. So transaction completed. It's that fast. So while you trade on the Litano Pro app, rest assured you're trading with in safe hands and you're trading with experts. Enjoy your stay. We'll be uploading more videos on how to use the app, so stay tuned. Thanks for your time.